Buenos dias, muchachos. You guys requested it. I'm going to give it to you. How does the Osmo Pocket compare to the Pixel 2 XL? Let's find out. So in my neighborhood, there's nothing cinematic to film. So we're just going to walk around, do some vlogging, do some microphone comparison side by side. Let you make the choice on which one you think is better. I'm just going to jump straight into it. So I'm right now vlogging with the audio and everything just on the Google Pixel 2. The in-body stabilization with the lenses and like the after processing that Google Photos does is absolutely amazing. I was actually, if you look back at one of my previous videos and look at when I was flying in a helicopter, Christmas stuff, that helicopter was bouncing like this, and that whole footage, that was using the back camera on the Pixel 2. It was just super stable. I really enjoyed it. The image fell apart a little bit when I really sped up the timing of it, like doing a fast time lapse or whatever. Other than that, it was super good. So now, I mean, you got an idea of what the vlogging looks like on this. So I'm gonna vlog with this, and I'm also gonna vlog with the back camera on the Pixel 2. Okay, so now we're on the back camera. Hopefully the audio sounds just as good as the front, because I don't know where the microphone is on this thing. But just so you can get an idea of what it looks like, I'm walking through my neighborhood. You know, there's cars and stuff. Is the wide angle good enough? Is it even wide angle? Who knows? Let's switch to this. This is vlogging mode on the Osmo. My arm's about 60 degrees. So, I mean, it's a little bit cropped in on my face. I can see that in the screen here. I mean, I'm not specifically walking any type of way. I'm just kind of strolling, not really holding my arm steady. Now, this is my arm fully extended. I mean, it's not comfortable, but you get a pretty wide angle view. Not pretty wide angle, it's a decent view, you know, great for vlogging. Hopefully the audio still sounds good at this distance. I'm talking a little bit louder than I would normally have a conversation with somebody. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below, let me know. Okay, now we're back on the Pixel 2 XL front-facing camera. What I'm gonna do now is do like a little cinematic B-roll segment of these Christmas decorations because they're kind of cool. Hopefully the owner doesn't run me out. I'm just gonna get a couple of quick clips with this and the rear-facing camera of the Pixel 2 XL so that you guys can make a comparison. In the color, nothing's gonna be color corrected, no stabilization, it's just gonna be straight out of the camera. So let's get to it. All right, so B-roll section's done. Kind of want to do some 120p slow motion because both cameras are capable of it. I don't have anything interesting to do 120 in. I'm gonna stand in front of my house and do some jumping jacks, maybe some dancing, and you can see how that looks with the 120, or like do like a slow cinematic walk, you know, by the camera, because it's cool when you film people's legs. Now, for those of you that were asking, completely unrelated from this, but this is the little mini tripod I was using. It's called the Vivitar. I bought it at Fry's Electronics for $9.99. It came with this little phone thing that has like a domed mirror on it, so you can see yourself talking to yourself like a weirdo. Yeah, that was super awkward. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know which one you thought was better, Pixel 2 XL or Osmo Pocket. Also, another question I've been getting asked a lot is about that 256 gigabyte card that I put in here. People were saying that it only takes 128, but it goes in here and it tells me that it works, so 256 is a thumbs up. If you guys want to see anything else with this Osmo, just leave it in the comments down below. Like, I need ideas to make videos for this thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe for more videos like this or everything else. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. It helps me out a lot.